Did you know that you've got some DIY recipes or remedies that you can use at the comfort of your home? Basically, applications and practices that you can use and you can curb hair fall or premature graying. I thought you should know. So that is what we are going to dig deep in today's video. I hope you enjoy this and watch till the very end. Welcome.
Hola, hello friends. Welcome to the other side of Amodis. My name is Jacinta. If you're new here, thank you for clicking, thank you for stopping by. On this channel we talk about lifestyle, hair care, and a little bit of motivation. And guess what, guys, today we've got a very interesting video. It is about DIY recipes on how to curb hair graying or premature hair graying, and another one is about how to curb hair fall. I hope these tips are going to help you. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. For the returning ones, thank you so much. Please help me get 1,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for clicking. Please watch till the very end, and kama kawaida, don't forget to give me a sweet comment. So I woke up very early, literally at 5. I hate to prepare for some errands. You know, I'm just this lazy. I am not that lazy, but I can say I can keep time. But when it comes to getting ready, that one I can make you get late where you're going. That is my problem. So I take time to do makeup or to do my hair. And when you know me, you know that I want perfection. So today has been a good day. I actually hate to do 2 photo shoot appointments. The first one was early in the morning. It was a tick. The second one, I literally almost got late. But it has been a new place. And I don't know, I can't just wait to see the results. Another thing is, of course, I went to a wedding. Look, congratulations to Dennis and your friend and your wife. Congratulations. I just want to wish you the best. Another one is me having a solo date. I am this girl who loves solitude so much. So if you think that because I am an extrovert, sometimes I don't have time for myself, so you're wrong. I really love myself. I'm working towards making a better me every day, and 2024 is going to be great. Another thing, I am very, very tired. I need to edit this video and it should be up on my channel in the next 1 hour. Guys, content creation is not easy. So if you're watching this, please give me thumbs up and subscribe. If you haven't, please share to your friends and family. Another thing,